Oh, hello. Hey everybody. So we stayed at Nelson's Cottages. This is the Vermont. It is a 4-person little cottage here. So 1 bed, 2 bed, a bathroom in here. It's got a shower, sink, mirror, hello, toilet, little couch, fridge, and there is a little heater behind the door in case it gets kind of cold. Oh, hi guys. You guys should check this place out if you're up here in Inlet, New York.
Like you mentioned, we're at Nelson's Cottages in Inlet, New York. If you're interested in a place to stay, give them a call. Julie was our, I guess you'd call her our host. She was very nice people. They offer kayaks, canoes for free for you to use. There's fires down by the lake, a dock, free firewood. They offer grills, everything you need right here. So hit them up.
Hey guys, we are on our way to the Adirondacks Trail up here near Inlet, New York. It's about a mile trail straight up, mile back. We're doing pretty decent, are we? Yeah.
Loving it.
Difficulty, it's not too bad. There are some really steep, rocky spots that, you want to take your time going up and down because you don't want to slide. Yeah, the rock's grippy unless it's wet, so. Well, yeah. This is a good example of the rock section coming up here. The one we just got past was steeper. This is some of the rock here. I got Jimmy 1 hiking up it. It's not too bad. We're climbing up here in elevation. Taking a little baby breather. You can start to see. What lake is this? This is 4th Lake?
4th Lake.
We're starting to overlook 4th Lake here at the top of the fire tower. You'll see a really good view of it, but
You'll see more than 4th. You'll see, like, I think 3rd, 2nd lake.
1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 1st, 2nd, 3rd.
at another opening up here, you can start to see some of the lakes. Let me scooch by you, Padre. What are you doing up here, Jimmy?
Taking some panoramic pictures.
Oh man. How do I do this?
We're almost to the top. Pretty nice day out, though. Cool little rockway.
Alright, continuing our way. I think we're on our final ascent, ascent up this thing. And you guys get to see the awesome view up top. Not sure if we'll climb that fire tower or not, depends how busy it is. Jimmy won. Of course, the younger guy, he's a little bit ahead of us. But this rock part's pretty cool. You just don't want to come up here drunk or dizzy. You should be rolling down quite a ways. I'm not sure if you can really judge it for the video, but that's pretty steep right there. I mean, it's a steep one. At least, but it's like all rock too.
You're not gonna be like a massive.
Let us know how you think this video quality is. It's shot on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10, right? Or is it the Galaxy or no? Just Galaxy? Yeah, the Note 10. Note 10 Plus. Seems to have pretty good image stabilization. Let us know what you think down in the comment section. I'm sure you'll see a bunch of more of our videos with this. Look at this view, guys. Wow. Don't mind my breathing. I'm the older of the group, so I breathe a little heavier. No, I don't smoke or drink or anything. Look at that, guys. Beautiful view up here. It's hard to tell because it's a little hazy, but the leaves are starting to change colors. The reds and yellows out there. It's beautiful.
So it looks all nice and pretty, and then, you know, as you come near the edge here, you realize if you're falling, you're not going to be liking life. That is.
To the right, you'll see like the sheer cliff of it. You can see through the trees there. You see the cliff straight
Yeah,
down.
it's just a drop, but it's still a beautiful view, as long as I don't get distracted. See, he's boogieing. He's got this. Then the little one's going too, so.
Here we are, guys. We made it to the top. This is the fire tower we were talking to you about. Maybe we can get up in there. We'll get you a shot from up top. It's pretty cool.
Cresting over. Yeah, it's a drop off this edge, so. Yeah, you keep to the right, little man.
Whenever your heart is broken.